over 100 small businesses that have shut their doors since this pandemic started. You don't want that to be you. This is Arume. How are you? Keep listening, and you want to be proactive and make sure you know what's going on. Now, for those businesses who do not have a net income, what could they do? Yes, they could file for unemployment. You wouldn't get anything from your state because you don't have wages. You were not an employee. Let's say you started your business in 2019. You were not an employee. Nobody paid you into the system. No one paid payroll taxes on your behalf. So what did you qualify for? You didn't qualify for unemployment under the conventional method. So the government, under the CARES Act, they have the Pandemic Unemployment Assistance, the PUA. So you would qualify for that on the federal level. Unfortunately, that program has run out of money. So that program ended at the end of July. So right now, Congress is back talking about what they're going to do. Between the Democrats and the Republicans, they're negotiating anywhere between $200 to $600. We don't know where they're going to come out. So what are your options now that PUA has run out? If you've been on the fence, don't sit on that fence any longer because you don't have any time to waste. Okay, time is running out. We don't know if the PUA is going to come back. By the way, you should know that the PUA, it's actually taxable income. That unemployment insurance that you were getting, that's actually taxable income, versus the PPP that will end up being non-taxable income. Okay, we don't know about the expenses yet. The things that you spend those funds on, your payroll, your rent, those funds, you might not be able to deduct those expenses from your taxes. For the PPP portion, for the PUA, that's still okay. You can, make all your deductions, all your business deductions. You can deduct those things off your taxes. Now, what is the last source of funding I want to talk about? Is the EIDL. Really briefly, the EIDL, which is the Economic Injury Disaster Loan Program, that is a pure loan. You have to pay that money back. But guess what? If you want to keep your business afloat right now, you can do that by getting a loan. I mean, you can't get loan any cheaper than this, 3.75%, and it's a 30-year loan program. So if you qualify, depending on what you qualify for, it's cheap money. You should get it if it means keeping your business open. If you need the money, even if it's not a grant-free quote-unquote income, you should go ahead and apply for the loan. You want to be proactive and make sure you know what's going on so that you can find out some other method of supporting yourself and supporting your small business.